Good evening, guys. Today I'm going to replace the touch IC problem in the iPhone 8. That was the motherboard. It was having the touch IC problem. That was the motherboard, the toner board where I took the IC. I just initially measured the voltages around that touch IC. Around that touch connector. I measured here. I did not find any issue or any short here. After diagnosing 10-15 minutes, I didn't find any problem. So there is one filter IC for touch is right here, which I just simply replaced. It took me around 10 minutes because I did not have the oscilloscope today. That's why I could not make a video of that. I simply did with my eyes. I did not use any, and I removed that from here. Here you can see it here, and here is the IC, the old one, the broken one. Here's the IC, the broken one. Let me here. So that IC, one of the edge was broken. That's why the touch was not working on this motherboard. I already replaced it. Let we assemble it and see if the touch back to working or not. As I told you, that was the donor motherboard where I took the IC here from here. So this was basically the iCloud locked motherboard, and that we connect and see if that working or not. Okay, so here. So I can see it here. It's taking, it's just starting very normally. There's no any short on the motherboard. It's number 2 is here. Okay, it came on. Oh, here you go. Its touch is working. Before it was not working at all. But unfortunately it looked like my touch ID is not working. Yeah, the touch ID is also not working. So anyhow, at least it's working. We can install another touch ID. There's not a big deal. Let me go to the settings. Okay, perfect. So it was a very simple solution. Hope you guys like my video, and it is the permanent solution. I did it with my eyes. I did not use any oscilloscope because I don't have it right now. So if you have any comments or any other questions, please subscribe my channel and hit thumbs up, and give me comments below. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. Thank you very much. So this is my successful video again. I made a touch IC problem, successfully repaired it, and thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.